got this big ass box right here, and been waiting for this for a long while. And today, let's open from this side over here. Got my knife. Okay. There's a case. Company called SmallRig. SmallRig make all kinds of cool stuff for your DSLR or mirrorless camera, like camera cages, and they're soft boxes. So I bought this lantern softbox. Where's the zip? Oh, the zip is right here. They do one thing that others don't do, and I'll show you you guys what that is. Nice little padded case, like that, for travel and stuff. I guess these are like curtains for the lantern softbox. What else we got here? This is the actual softbox. Open sesame. The excitement is real, people. Okay, my gosh, it's massive. It's bloody huge. That's what she said. Look at that. So I bought a Bowen fit one. There you go. Bada bing, bada boom. And this is so cool. I bought the 90 centimeter version. I was gonna get a 65, but I thought it was a bit too small, so I went for larger. And that's what it looks like when it's all like packed up. But one thing that it does that others don't do is the setup process. So what you just do is you literally just push, and it literally sets itself up just like that. How cool is that? That's it. That's all set up and ready to go. I mean, how nice and simple is that? Freaking epic. So this is my SmallRig lantern, and then you can attach these things here, these curtains here, with Velcro to cut up more light and stuff. And that's it. Bada bing, bada boom. Thank you very much, SmallRig. Can't wait to use this thing. Bada bing, bada boom. That's it. Peace out.